everyone. It's Graham Cracker Day. Today we are going to model plate tectonics. So if you would like to go to our page and grab this document, it's called Graham Cracker Model of Plate Tectonics. You can stop this recording right now. Go ahead, grab that, because you're going to be filling this out as we go. So in order to do this lab, you need 2 whole graham crackers, an index card, a little thing of water, a cup of frosting, wax paper, or today I'm going to just use a paper plate. You can use that. So we have all of our things right here. We have our frosting. You can use chocolate, vanilla flavor, whatever. We have our 2 graham crackers right here. And I have an index card, and I have a knife, and I have my paper. So the very first thing we're going to do is divergent plate boundary, oceanic versus oceanic. We're going to break a whole graham cracker into 2 pieces, following the little dot. So we're going to break it into like this, okay? Using the knife, we are going to spread let me stir your frosting so you can get it all nice and loose. We are going to I'm gonna put this up here. We are going to put a nice glob of frosting in the center, like this. Okay, so using a knife, you spread it in the center. The icing should cover a large enough area for the 2 crackers. So I'm going to make it about yay big. I'm going to lay the 2 crackers side by side on top of the frosting. Side by side on top of the frosting. I'm going to imitate the movement of divergent. Remember, divergent boundaries are plates that move apart. Remember to press firmly and push the crackers. Do not push more than a centimeter. So, as you can see, I'm going to push down and out. Draw the observations that you see. So, then I'm going to go ahead and do my questions. The next one I'm going to do is part 2, convergent boundaries. I'm going to lift out my graham crackers. I am going to respread the frosting in the center. Respreaded the frosting in the center. The icing should cover a large enough area for a full graham cracker and an index card placed end to end. Now, these are our convergent boundaries, oceanic to continental. One is more dense than the other, which is going to happen. You are going to have your more dense, and we are going to put them lay the entire graham cracker and an index card end to end on top. Oops. So it looks like this. You can use a decent size, fold the paper up a couple times if you needed to. We are going to converge. That means we are going to come together. So I'm going to push these together. What's going to happen? That is what's going to happen. So you can stop the video now and answer those questions. And then we are going to move on to continental versus continental. So I have to respread. I'm kind of making a small mess here. So we have to respread it out. So what do you think that the icing is representing in all of this? So break the graham cracker into 4 pieces this time. So dip one end of each one of these graham crackers is going to represent a continental plate. Dip one end of each graham crackers into a cup of water. Immediately remove the crackers from the water and lay them end to end on top of the icing, okay? So this is going to imitate the movement of converging continental with continental, okay? So I am going to dip one end of each of the graham crackers into a cup of water, and then I'm going to immediately remove them and lay them end to end. So I'm getting water right now.
Good morning, Allegiance. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
There's our announcement, and I'm going to push them
I pledge
together.
allegiance to the flag of the
And
United
look what
States of
happens
America and to the
when I
republic for
converge
which
two
stands
together.
one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Now, my last one is a transformed lateral boundary. Remember, transforms goes up and down.
Thank you. You may be
I
seated.
respread, mine is fine. And I am going to do them side by side.
Your morning announcement.
So it's like this.
Congratulations to the following 8th grade students of the week, Leona Toledo and Stella Hatfield. And
I've lost some of my graham
grade
cracker from rubbing them side by side. So those are all types of the boundaries. Hopefully you got an opportunity to do this yourself and work your way through. If not, use this as a model to fill out your worksheet. Have a good day.